Hi, good evening. This is Prasanna Traders Vinay. We'll today discuss about the stock Coal India and we'll try to find out if there are any investment opportunities in this stock. Coal India is in a major downtrend starting from the year 2015. At that time, stock was trading somewhere near 420 and stock fell down to the level of 100, which is almost one fourth of the price where it was trading 6 years earlier. It's in a downtrend channel since then. However, in last 3 to 4 months, it is seeing some amount of buying interest at lower levels. RSI after testing 25 odd levels, bouncing back and is trading near 40. So it could be a start of the change of trend probably. Looking at weekly chart, the stock is still trading under 35 RMA. That means it is still under the downtrend. However, weekly RSI has gone above 56, indicating in current time there is a lot of buying interest and the stock is showing momentum and trying to move upwards. It has made 2 or 3 attempts to break 148 levels, but it has not succeeded and fell down. However, on monthly chart it has seen a tweezer bottom near 125, and on weekly chart 125 also shows like a strong support zone. I would like to add half of my investment quantity here at 140, and if stock falls down to 125 levels then I will add the rest. And if you closely watch super trend 10.27 2.75 has also turned green. There is a VSA momentum breakout, and off late if you see the volumes are slowly increasing. VSA momentum indicator has turned green as well, indicating recent buying momentum is strong in the stock. And looking at the daily charts, it has again given a breakout today. Before the result, it looks like it's trying to show some strength and is ready for a up move. So daily chart is already bullish, which has given the buy signal. However, monthly and weekly chart yet it has not given a buy signal as per the momentum investment indicator. However, going by RSI and the VSA trend, we can initiate some amount of longs, and in case there is a pullback, we can add further. And once the major neckline resistance of 148 is broken, I strongly believe stock is likely to test 174 and 209 levels very soon. So it's a very good investment opportunity and is also available at a very low cost. Stock is a good dividend paying company and is worth adding to portfolio at current pricing levels. Who knows, it might surprise everybody like ITC and Tata Motors in 2021-22. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the trade ideas, and most importantly, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever views I post here is purely basis the momentum indicator whatever I have developed, and all these basis on technical analysis only. So I would recommend you can check with your investment advisor before trading the stock in the market with real money.